Hello guys, welcome back to my channel vfxexpert. So guys, in the today's class we are going to see how to install PixelFudger and CollectFiles plugins or Gizmo inside Nuke. So let's start the class here. So now we are inside Nuke and just I am using this Nuke 15 plus version. If you want, you can also install these script inside Nuke 16. So now if you will see inside this Nuke, there is no any Gizmo or plugin installed inside Nuke. So just you can see it here. So now first we have to close this Nuke if this is running. So first we have to close. So now after this, simply just we have to download these two plugins or Gizmo files from nukepedia.com. So this is CollectFiles 2.2 and PixelFudger, which is this one here. So these two plugins or Gizmo just you have to download from nukepedia.com. So now we are inside this nukepedia.com. So this is your CollectFiles Gizmo or plugins. So simply just you can download from this nukepedia.com. And this is the PixelFudger, which you can also download from nukepedia.com. So now here I have already downloaded. So now these are two files here. So inside this collect file, remember this one here, just I am using this CollectFiles version 2.2 and this PixelFudger this version here. So now first just I am going to show you here how to install this PixelFudger plugins or Gizmo inside Nuke. So for this simply just we have to open this folder. Then inside this folder you will get these one folder and these three files here. So what we have to do, how we can install, simply just we have to copy these two files. One, this is PixelFudger 3 folder. Inside this you will get all these Gizmo here, and second one which is init file. So just we have to copy these two files, Control C copy. Then after this simply just we have to go to C drive. So this is your C drive. Then click on this user and just select your username, my username, which is tech. So here you will get this .nuke directory here. So just open this one. Now inside this folder or inside this directory, simply just we have to paste these two files. Control V. So this is first PixelFudger 3 folder and this init file. One more important thing here, if init file is already present inside this folder, then simply what you can do, so don't overwrite your init file, simply just open this file. Whatever just you have to copy it from PixelFudger plugins, then simply just you can copy these two lines from this init files. Then simply just you can open your previous init file, whatever you have already getting inside this folder, then open this one and just you can add these two lines inside your init file. So remember this one, if you are already getting this init file, then you have to do that. If you are not getting, then simply just you can paste these two files inside this .nuke directory. So remember this one here. So this is actually procedure how to install PixelFudger plugins or Gizmo inside Nuke. Now after this just I am going to see how we can install this CollectFile plugins or in Gizmo inside Nuke. I am using this CollectFile 2.2. So just open this folder. So here you will get this CollectFiles. So just we have to copy this file, Control C, then go to your C drive, then program files and just select your Nuke version. So here just I am using this Nuke 15.2. Even you can also install this script inside Nuke 16 version. Then after this just we have to open this plugins folder, and inside this folder just we have to paste these files. Now simply Control V and just we have to paste this CollectFiles here. So just you can see this one here. Now after this simply just we have to open this CollectFiles and just we have to copy this line, which is this one, import CollectFiles. Just we can copy this one. Then inside this new plugins folder just open your init file, this one. Then after this one just click here, then press enter and just we can paste it here. Then we have to save this init file. Now click on file and just save. So maybe suppose if you are getting any this save issue while you are going to save, and if you are getting maybe any error, then you can click on file, then save as, and just save this file maybe in another directory like maybe this H drive. Just save this one here. Then after this close this one and just open your folder where you have saved this init file. Then you can copy this one, Control C, then again just you can paste inside this new plugins folder like this. So Control V, you can paste it here. So this method only you have to use while you are going to save this file, and this is not saving your file. Now after this just we have to create a menu node. So for this simply just we can, so for this just we have to open this create menu notepad file. So this file link you will get inside this video description. So simply just you have to open this one. So that you can see these instructions for creating a menu Simply just we have to copy these 4 lines, then go to inside your Nuke plugins folder again and just open your menu files. This is our menu file, so just you can see this one here, py file. Then just we have to open this one, then go to at last and simply just we have to paste after this line, means at last just we have to paste. So Control V, then simply again we have to save these files. Even still if you are getting any saving error, then you can click on file, save as, then again you can select your secondary drive, then just close this one here and just open your drives and just you can copy this menu file, Control C. So anywhere just you can save this file. Then after this again you have to paste inside this new plugins folders. Now Control V and just replace this file. So like this as you can save your menu files also. Now just I'm going to open up a Nuke and just I'm going to check all these plugins inside Nuke. So here just I'm using this Nuke 15.2 version here. Even you can also install this script inside Nuke 16. So now we are inside Nuke. So in this toolbar, if you will see, just I am getting these 2 extra icon, which is this PixelFudger icon and also this CollectFile icons here. So now just I am going to open over this any project just you can open. So this is our project. So this is just I am using one image sequence, then this is another image sequence, and this is MOV files. So if you want to first test your PixelFudger plugin, then you can click and just select maybe any gizmo here. So select this one. Now if you select this one, so this is file and press 1. So now just you can see this is working here. So now next thing just I am going to just collect all these files from this project here. So first we have to save this project, remember this one here. Then simply we have to click on this collect files. Then just you have to select your folder where you want to save your project with your all files. So here just I am going to select maybe H drive. So any just folder that you can select and just create a folder. So this is our folder. Now simply just you can see these locations here. Now we have to click on open. Then after this simply just we have to click on OK. Now collect file done. Simply clear all these things here. Now just again just check your folder. Now just you will give, now here you will see this is your project file name, which is UV cleanup, and this is your footage folder. And just I am getting all these footage here. So simply as you can see, so this is our image sequence, this is cleanup image sequence, and this is just a MOV file. So just you can see all these things here. Okay, so successfully just I have collected all these files with my project, with my project files. Now if you want to test it here, then click on file, open comp, and just select from H drive, so project files, and just select this one, open this one. So now all things are just working here. So simply as you can see. So like this, simply just you can install CollectFiles and PixelFudger plugins or Gizmo inside Nuke. So guys, if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.